What it do, what it do, what it do. Hey, my name is Alethea and welcome to or back to my channel for another video. Now that we have all that out of the way, let's move on to the video. So a while back, Influenster, which they never send me any of the good stuff, but Influenster sent me this Magic Root Cover Up. It's a temporary gray concealer spray. And how they managed to send this to me, I don't know. I am 40 something odd years old and I do not have gray hair. Well, I take that back. I have maybe 1 or 2 strands, but other than that, I mean, as you all can see, my roots. Okay, so anyway, so what I'm about to do though is I want to spray this color on my hair. It's supposed to last like 1 shampoo. This is pretty much close to the time for me to shampoo my hair. I figure why not try it. So does it say shake it up? It just says cover your shoulders with a towel, shake well. Yeah, spray on dry hair about 6 inches from regrowth using light steady pressure to blend the color. Let it dry for 1 minute. Done. All right, let's go. So I got a towel. Got this section. Okay, let me get a glove. So, I was talking to one of my friends at work, my colleagues at work, and she is like bored to death and we were just talking. But anyway, so now I'm about to spray this part. So I sprayed my entire head and I don't know how it looks to you guys, but this stuff looks so dry and pale to me. But anyway, I started, I gotta finish it. This is one of those situations where you didn't have nothing better to do with your time. I'm done with this. It's so choppy in some areas, but oh well. Okay, so does look kind of fluffy though. I'm always doing something. All right, so anyway, so how do I feel about this stuff? It kind of makes me wish my hair was still black. I'm not even gonna lie, it kind of makes me wish my hair was still black because I don't know, I think it just brings out me. I just think it just brings me out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? A little something, something, little something, something. But anyway, so yeah. All right guys, so this is the spray color that I have put on my hair, and yeah, like I said, it makes me feel like I want to take my hair back black. This really makes me miss having black hair, and I may just bite the bullet and color my hair black. Just take my chances and see what happens. Yeah, so anyway, with that being said, that is all for this video. I do hope you'll comment, like, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye. Okay, y'all, so there is so much going on in my life right now. So many things that are just about to just make me pull my hair out. That was my mom calling me just now. My aunt had to be rushed to the emergency room earlier today, and they put her in ICU. They've had to put stents in her, and they said she's had 2 heart attacks, and oh my goodness, it's just a lot. But anyway, we're gonna move on.